I'm your urban dahlia farmer. Today we're going to talk about a tip that can get you more blooms and blooms of a higher quality. We're going to talk about topping and stopping your plants. Now, why would you want to top your dahlias? It may delay the first blooms by 10 days to 2 weeks, but you will get larger and more blooms throughout the season. I like to top my dahlias when they've been in the ground for about 6 weeks, are maybe 18 inches high, and are just putting out their first buds. For the giant and large AA and A-size dahlias, I take it down to the 3rd leaf node. When topping B and BB, small and medium dahlias, to the 4th leaf node. For miniatures and other types, I take it to the 4th or 5th leaf node. To prevent the spread of virus or other plant diseases that can be spread between plants, it's important to disinfect the tools before moving on to the next plant. When topping leaves a hole in the stalk, I put a small pebble in the hole to prevent water from getting down into the stalk. This is also a good time to remove all extra sprouts coming from the tuber, leaving the strongest and healthiest stalk to produce your blooms. If your goal is to produce more blooms and greater quality of blooms, make sure to top your dahlia plants.